Welcome to our tutorial. This video will demonstrate how to obtain a time schedule of satellite to ground station visibilities using SaVoir multi-satellite swath planner during a simulation period. Let's begin. Firstly, we need to define the period of simulation by opening up the calendar here and selecting a period, let's say, of 1 week. We then press the refresh button to make sure that it is updated here in the time bar as well. We then select the satellites that we want from the satellites pane here by either using the drag or by clicking on each one directly. I'm going to select 7 satellites to work with today. And when we navigate in our 3D world, we can see that all of these satellites are in their exact positions on the orbit at the beginning of the simulation period. Now we go to the antennas pane up here on the top left, where we have a number of predefined antennas, and we select the ones that we'd like to view for our simulation to be carried out. I'm going to use 4 antennas to work with today. And so on the map of the world, we can observe the circles of visibilities. As you can see. To obtain the timelines, it's very easy. We simply go to the Visibilities menu up here and we click Antenna to Satellite. At this point, we are shown the progress of the calculation on these 2 red lines here, and we wait until we obtain a result on both the report view and the Gantt display. It is now generating the result for us, and in a moment longer we will obtain it. As you can see, here we have the report view already. And now we are going to obtain also the Gantt, and here it is. On the Gantt, we see the timeline in a time chart, which is interactive. As you can see, we are able to view the start and stop times and parameters indicating the antennas, satellites, orbit numbers, etc. We can then export all this to Excel by clicking on the Export to Excel button, selecting the fields that we wish to export, giving it the OK, and it would then ask us to save it on our computer, whether on desktop or elsewhere, to give the file a name, and we would then click on the Save button, which I am not going to do right now. So that's how we generate visibility timelines with SaVoir. Thank you for your attention.